Your OrCam device can identify products and items with distinctive features, from the size of a credit card to a cereal box. To enter a product into the memory of your device, hold the sides of the product with one hand at eye level, about an arm's length away. Then press the touch bar with the index finger of your other hand, and keep it there until you hear
Start new product learning. Please point at the product 3 times at different positions.
Point at the center of one side of the product 3 times, once at arm's length, once when moved a bit to the left, and once when moved a bit to the right, until you hear
Done with this side, you may point 3 times at another side of the product or stop now.
This is usually enough. If you wish to learn another side, point again at another side 3 times. You will then hear
Done with this side, you may point 3 times at another side of the product or stop now.
At the end of your pointing, you will hear
Thank you. Please name the product after the beep.
Now name the product.
Raspberry cookies.
Touch to confirm adding the product, swipe to record again, or double tap to abort. After you touch to confirm, you will hear
Learning done. Product added.
You can point at the product or touch the touch bar to verify the product has been successfully added. Note: avoid items without distinctive features, such as a wallet, fruits, or vegetables. Every time you wish to recognize a product you learned, hold the product at arm's length and eye level and either point at it or press the touch bar once.